Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your speaker just isn't loud enough, or your bass sounds weak and flat, then today's video might completely change your setup. Because right here, this small, simple, and super affordable board can actually boost your sound, improve clarity, and make your bass hit harder than you expect. And the crazy part? It costs just a few dollars online. Problem? Relatable? Let's be real for a second. A lot of us buy speakers, subwoofers, or amplifiers, but when we finally connect everything, right finger the sound is not loud enough. Right finger the bass is not deep. Right finger the clarity is just average. And that's frustrating, especially if you love music, movies, or building your own audio system. But here's the truth most people don't know. Right finger the problem is not always your speaker. Right finger sometimes, the signal going into your amplifier is too weak. And that's exactly where this device comes in. Introduce product. This is the NE5532 front amplifier board. It's a preamp module, which means, right finger it takes your weak audio signal. Right finger boosts it, right finger cleans it, right finger and sends a stronger, clearer signal to your main amplifier. So your entire system performs better. Why it's powerful? Now don't let the small size fool you. This board uses the NE5532 chip, which is actually very popular in the audio world. Why? Because it delivers clean sound, low noise, strong signal amplification, better bass response. So when you use this, you're not just making your sound louder, you're making it better. Real experience, personal tone. I've personally tested this kind of module. And honestly, I was surprised. Before using it, my speaker sounded okay. But after adding this, fire the volume increased, fire the bass felt stronger, fire the sound became clearer. It's one of those upgrades that you don't expect much from, but once you try it, you don't want to remove it anymore. Use cases. This module is perfect if you build DIY speaker systems. Use subwoofers, want stronger bass, use car audio setups, or just want louder, cleaner sound at home. Even if your system is simple, this small upgrade can make a big difference. Technical but simple explanation. Let me explain in a simple way. Your music source, like your phone or Bluetooth module, usually sends a low-level audio signal. But your amplifier needs a stronger signal to perform at its best. So what happens? Right finger weak signal in equals weak performance out. But when you add this preamp, right finger weak signal becomes strong. Right finger strong signal equals better sound output. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Power supply info. Another great thing about this board. It supports DC 12 volts to 35 volts power supply. So you can easily use it with power adapters, batteries, DIY power supplies. Very flexible. Price advantage. Now let's talk about price. This is probably one of the cheapest upgrades you can get. You can find it on Alibaba, Amazon, online electronics stores, for just a few dollars. And honestly, for the performance it gives, it's totally worth it. Why Americans would like it? Positioning. If you're in the US or targeting US viewers. People love right finger affordable upgrades, right finger DIY audio projects, right finger simple but powerful tools. And this product fits perfectly. It's cheap, it's easy to use, and it actually works. Comparison. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on new speakers, try upgrading your signal first. Because sometimes, right finger a small upgrade equals a big improvement. Call to action mid-video. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit the like button, thumbs up. And subscribe for more simple tech and audio upgrades like this. Installation idea. Installing this is not too difficult. You just need input audio, output to amplifier, power connection, and you're ready to go. Even beginners can learn it quickly. Emotional push. Imagine this. You're watching a movie, and suddenly, the sound feels powerful, deep, and immersive. Or you're playing music, and the bass hits harder than before. That's the difference this small board can make. Final value statement. So overall, the NE5532 preamp board is checkmark small, checkmark affordable, checkmark powerful, checkmark easy to use, checkmark and highly effective. It's one of those hidden gems in the audio world. Outro. Strong ending. So if you want to boost your sound, improve your bass, and upgrade your system without spending a lot. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.